12 underrated plants for the garden and why they should be planted more often. Leadwort. Leadwort is a versatile perennial ground cover known for its vibrant blue flowers that bloom from summer into fall. It thrives in both sun and partial shade and can adapt to a variety of soil conditions, though it prefers well-draining soil. Once established, Leadwort is drought-resistant, making it an excellent choice for xeriscaping or dry garden borders. Its sprawling habit helps suppress weeds, and its flowers are a favorite among butterflies and bees, adding both beauty and biodiversity to the garden. Pye Weed. Pye Weed is a majestic addition to any garden. It grows up to 6 feet tall and has clusters of fluffy pinkish-purple flowers that attract an array of pollinators from midsummer to fall. It prefers moist, fertile soils and full sun to partial shade. This native plant is particularly suited for rain gardens or naturalized areas, where it can help manage water runoff while supporting local wildlife. Its robust size makes it an excellent backdrop for other perennials. Serviceberry. Serviceberry is an understated deciduous shrub or small tree that provides year-round interest in the garden. It produces delicate white flowers in early spring, followed by sweet, edible berries that attract birds. In autumn, its leaves turn fiery shades of red and orange. In winter, its smooth gray bark adds subtle beauty. Adaptable to various soil types and conditions, Serviceberry is ideal for urban gardens or natural settings and requires minimal maintenance once established. Sea holly. Sea holly is a striking perennial known for its vibrant blue, thistle-like flowers and silvery green foliage, which add unique texture and color to the garden. It is highly tolerant of drought and poor soils, making it ideal for rock gardens and coastal areas. The flowers, which bloom from midsummer to early fall, are excellent for cutting and drying, retaining their color and form for long-lasting arrangements. Sea holly also attracts a variety of pollinators, enhancing the garden's ecological value. Spurge, Euphorbia or Spurge, is a diverse genus that includes many varieties offering unique shapes, sizes, and colors. This low-maintenance plant is particularly valued for its drought tolerance and striking foliage, which can range from deep green to vibrant reds and purples. Many species feature eye-catching bracts that look like flowers, blooming from spring to summer. Euphorbias are excellent for adding architectural interest to borders, rock gardens, or as a focal point in a succulent garden. Care should be taken when handling, as their milky sap can irritate skin. Pawpaw. Pawpaw is a native North American tree that produces large, custard-like, delicious, and nutritious fruits. The tree has broad, tropical-looking leaves that turn golden yellow in the fall. It grows best in deep, fertile soil and partial shade, making it a great candidate for understory plantings in larger landscapes or as a specimen tree in smaller gardens. Once established, pawpaws require minimal care and can be a source of food for wildlife. Coral bells. Coral bells are celebrated for their vibrant and diverse foliage colors, ranging from lime green to deep burgundy. They have delicate bell-shaped flowers that appear in spring and early summer. Coral bells are particularly effective in shaded garden beds or containers, where their leaves add a splash of color throughout the growing season. Once established, they are drought tolerant, making them a practical choice for low-water gardens. They also attract hummingbirds and butterflies, enhancing the garden's appeal to wildlife. Fothergilla. Fothergilla is a charming, low-maintenance shrub that offers multi-season interest. In spring, it displays honey-scented, brush-like white flowers before the leaves emerge. Its foliage, which is attractive and lush during the growing season, turns brilliant shades of orange, red, and yellow in the fall. Fothergilla thrives in sun to partial shade and prefers acidic, well-drained soil. It is ideal for mixed borders, woodland gardens, or as a foundation planting, adding both beauty and structure to the garden space. Coleus. Coleus is a stunningly colorful foliage. The leaves can be a kaleidoscope including red, pink, yellow, green, and purple, often with intricate patterns and bright contrasts. Coleus is extremely versatile, thriving in both sun and shade, making it perfect for filling under-canopied areas or brightening up sunny beds. It's also widely used in containers and hanging baskets. Easy to propagate from cuttings, Coleus can be overwintered indoors in colder climates, ensuring year-round enjoyment. This plant is an excellent choice for gardeners looking to add continuous color with minimal effort. Pencil cactus. The pencil cactus is a striking succulent with thin branch-like stems that resemble green pencils. Originating from semi-arid tropical regions, it's well-suited to modern, drought-tolerant landscapes or as an indoor specimen in cooler climates. While it requires minimal care, thriving on neglect, and needing only occasional watering, it should be handled carefully due to its toxic sap, which can cause irritation upon contact. Its architectural form makes it a perfect addition to contemporary garden designs or as a focal point in minimalist settings, bringing a touch of the exotic to the garden. St. John's Wort. St. John's Wort is a perennial herb known for its medicinal properties and vibrant display of golden yellow flowers. The plant is incredibly resilient, able to thrive in poor soils, and requires minimal care once established. Its flowers bloom from midsummer to early fall, providing a long season of color and attracting pollinators like bees and butterflies. St. John's Wort is often used in naturalistic plantings and can also serve as an effective ground cover or border plant, adding both beauty and biodiversity to the garden environment. Gazania. Gazania, also known as treasure flower, is celebrated for its dazzling daisy-like flowers. These sun lovers open in full sunlight, showing off a range of colors from bright yellows and oranges to whites and pinks, often with striking metallic stripes on the petals. Gazanias are particularly suited for hot, dry sites and are often used in coastal gardens, rockeries, and as bedding plants due to their tolerance of poor sandy soils and seaside conditions. They are drought tolerant once established, making them an ideal choice for low-water gardens or regions experiencing water restrictions. And there you have it, folks. 12 underrated plants that can truly transform your garden into a unique and vibrant oasis. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And hey, if you're new here or just haven't done it yet, hit that subscribe button and join our growing garden community. But wait, there's more. If you're looking for even more amazing plant ideas, be sure to check out our video on the top 15 low-maintenance perennials anyone can plant. It's packed with gorgeous, easy care plants that will make your garden the envy of the neighborhood. Thanks for watching, and always remember, life is better when you garden.